Assalamualaikum and hello to TS Dr. Nur Hayati binti Kamarudin and Associate Professor TS Dr. Muhammad Hariri bin Bakri. My name is Amira binti Hamzah. I'm from 4 BTMS Section 1. Today, I will be presenting my final year project entitled The Impact of Sustainable Packaging in Manufacturing Warehouse on Customer Satisfaction in Johor. Sustainability has become a key concern for organizations due to increasing environmental problems such as climate change, pollution, and also resource depletion. Customers today are more environmentally conscious and expect companies to take responsibility for their environmental impact. One important area where companies can demonstrate sustainability is through packaging, especially in manufacturing warehouses. Sustainable packaging refers to the use of recyclable, biodegradable, or minimal packaging material to reduce waste and environmental harm. While many previous studies focus on product packaging, this study highlight warehouse-level packaging, which play a crucial role in storage, handling, and also distribution processes. This warehouse packaging decision can influence logistic efficiency, waste generation, and also customer satisfaction and trust. Next, the key problem identified from previous study that form the basis of my final year project. First, companies face crucial decision-making challenges when selecting packaging materials. Choosing the most suitable material often involving balanced cost, performance, and environmental impact. Second, many businesses are still hesitant to invest in eco-friendly packaging materials and technology due to higher initial costs, lack of technical expertise, and uncertainty about customer response. Also, customers are often not aware of sustainable practices implemented in manufacturing warehouses. Furthermore, the COVID-19 pandemic increased the urgency for a company to adopt sustainable practices, especially in packaging and logistics, due to rising environmental concern and change in customer expectation. Lastly, lack of localized area, particularly in Malaysian context, because most existing study focus on developed countries and making it difficult to directly apply the finding to manufacturing warehouses in Johor. So therefore, this gap highlight the need for this study, which focus on sustainable packaging practices in manufacturing warehouse in Johor and their impact on customer satisfaction and also trust. This study is guided by 3 research questions. The first research question investigates how sustainable packaging in manufacturing warehouses affect customer satisfaction in terms of product quality, safety, and usability in Johor. The second one to examine customer perception and expectation towards environmentally friendly packaging, and the third one focus on identifying which sustainable packaging characteristics have the strongest influence on customer loyalty. In line with research question, 3 objectives were developed. The first objective is to analyze the influence of sustainable packaging practices on customer satisfaction. The second objective to examine customer perception and reference regarding sustainable packaging. And the third objective is to identify key sustainability factors in packaging that contribute to brand loyalty and also customer trust. Next is scope and limitation. This study focused on manufacturing warehouses located in Johor, Malaysia, with customer as the target respondent. However, there are several limitations to this study. The sample size is limited to 165 respondents, which may not fully represent all manufacturing industry. In addition, the study focused only on a customer-facing impact and does not evaluate the full environmental life cycle of packaging material. Therefore, the findings should be interpreted within this limitation. For theoretical framework, this study is grounded in expectation confirmation theory or ECT. According to ECT, customer satisfaction is formed when customers compare their expectation with their actual experience. If the experience meet or exceed the expectation, satisfaction increases, which can lead to repeat purchases and loyalty. In this study, customers who expect environmentally responsible packaging and experience it during delivery and product use are more likely to feel satisfied. This theory is especially relevant for customers with higher environmentally awareness. The research framework includes 3 independent variables, which are eco-friendly material, packaging efficiency, and warehouse packaging practices. Customer satisfaction is the dependent variable. Eco-friendly material refer to recyclable, biodegradable, and non-toxic material. Packaging efficiency focus on protection, ease of use, and minimal waste, while warehouse packaging practices include handling, labeling, and quality control. 3 hypotheses were developed to examine the relationship between each variable and customer satisfaction. Let us see research methodology. This study adopted a quantitative research design using a structured questionnaire. The questionnaire consists of 4 sections: demographic profile, customer expectation, customer experience, and customer satisfaction. A random sampling method was applied involving 165 respondents in Johor. The collected data was analysed using Microsoft Excel and SPSS version 31. Statistical analysis included descriptive analysis, reliability analysis, Pearson correlation coefficient, and also multiple regression analysis. The demographic result shows that the majority of respondents were between 18 and 34 years old, represent active customer. Female respondent accounted for 55.8%, while male respondent for 44.2%. Most respondents were either employed or student and frequently purchased packaged product. Additionally, most respondents reported moderate to high environmental awareness, which support the relevance of this study. Next, research finding. For research objective 1, mean analysis were conducted to measure customer agreement. All 3 sustainable packaging variables recorded high mean value above 4.2, indicating strong positive perception. Among the 3 variables, warehouse packaging practices recorded the highest mean value. This suggests that proper handling, labeling, and also packaging consistency are high valued by customers. For research objective 2, the finding shows that customers in Johor have positive perception and expectation towards sustainable packaging. Customers prefer packaging that is recyclable, biodegradable, and safe for the environment. However, sustainability alone is not enough. Customers still expect packaging to maintain product quality, safety, and usability. The regression and correlation analysis result shows that all 3 independent variables have a significant positive relationship with customer satisfaction. Among them, packaging efficiency recorded the highest beta value, indicating that it is the most influential factor. This suggests that customers place strong importance on packaging that protect the product, reduce damage, and is easy to use. All p-value were below 0.05, confirming the reliability of the finding. For research objective 3, the finding indicate that sustainable packaging play an important role in building brand loyalty and trust. Eco-friendly material enhance brand credibility and reflect ethical business practices, while packaging efficiency improve customer experience, and effective warehouse packaging practices reduce product damage and also delivery errors. These factors collectively encourage repeat purchases and long-term customer loyalty. Based on the hypothesis testing result, all 3 hypotheses were accepted. This confirmed that eco-friendly material, packaging efficiency, and warehouse packaging practices significantly influence customer satisfaction. These results support the proposed research framework. The findings suggest that sustainable packaging provide both environmental and business benefit. Eco-friendly material enhance brand image and customer confidence, while efficient packaging reduce waste handling issues and operational costs. Effective warehouse packaging practices ensure that product consistency delivery and product reliability. Overall, integrated sustainability into packaging strategy strengthen the long-term competitiveness. Next, recommendation for future study. Future study can expand this research beyond Johor to other states in Malaysia. A mixed method approach using interview or case study could provide deeper insight into customer behavior. Also, additional variables such as price perception, brand image, and also government regulation may also be considered. And further research could examine moderating or mediating effect to better understand customer satisfaction and loyalty towards environmentally awareness. In conclusion, this study examined the impact of sustainable packaging practices on customer satisfaction, loyalty, and also brand trust in Johor's manufacturing industry. The finding confirmed that eco-friendly material, packaging efficiency, and warehouse packaging practices significantly influence customer satisfaction. Packaging efficiency was identified as the most influential factor. Overall, the sustainable packaging should be viewed not only as an environmental responsibility but also as a strategic business advantage. That's all from me. Thank you.